Lululemon Athletica, the firm which suffered through the see-through yoga pants problem in 2013, had quarterly results slightly better than expectations, the company reported Thursday. The Canadian yoga wear company also announced it is trimming its revenue and earnings forecast for the coming year. The company also announced its chief financial officer, John Curry, is retiring by the end of the fiscal year. The company previously announced a $450 million share buyback program as well. The company said its profit for the last quarter was 34 cents a share, and analysts had expected earnings of 32 cents a share. In an attempt to compete with other firms, Amazon launched a new streaming music service Thursday as part of its $99 Prime subscription service, which also includes free video streaming and free delivery. Prime Music is the name of the service, and it is supposed to offer unlimited ad-free music streaming free with an Amazon Prime membership. The Bitcoin phenomenon got another supporter Wednesday when Expedia announced it is now accepting the digital currency for hotel payments. Bitcoin is a great example of how Expedia is investing early in an array of payment options to give our customers and partners more choice in the ways they interact with us, said Expedia Vice President Michael Gallman. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as a form of currency which could be operated independent of government. In the past 3 months, Bitcoin has exchanged for as little as $395 and as much as $659. Expedia is partnering with Coinbase, a Bitcoin payment processor, to facilitate the transactions. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks so much for watching.